Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today our topic is how you can hide and lock Excel formulas so that no one can see and edit your formulas. If you learned from our tutorials, please like our videos and do subscribe our channel. So I have an random Excel sheet, this one, and I want to hide and lock this formula like this formula. So I want to lock and hide this formula. For this purpose, we have couple of steps. First, you need to select sheet, then go to format cell with the control +1, then lock and hide your sheet or columns, then go to format and protection settings. Then if you need to unprotect, I will show you how to unprotect. So at first step, from this triangle button, select the whole sheet, then press Ctrl +1, or from this right click on any cell, select from cells, format cells, then go to protection tab, then uncheck this lock button. OK. At the second step, select the whole column which you want to hide the formula, this formula. Right click on format cells again, go to protection tab and then locked and hide. If you want to just lock, then select locked, or you can hide single. I am going to lock and hide too. Then click OK. After that, you need to go to Home tab, then Format, then Protect Sheet. Write here password of your choice, then click OK. Retype the exact same password, click OK. So the formula has been hidden. You cannot see formula here as you are looking, and you cannot even edit. The cells are chart you are trying to change is protected sheet. So in this way you can hide and lock your Excel formulas. No one can change and edit. To unprotect, or you want to edit or see formula, then go to format and then click on unprotect a sheet. Type the exact password, click OK. Now the formula has been shown. You can now edit formula here. Thanks guys for watching and learning.